Bennett TV. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And since last time, my inbox was blowing up about everybody wanting to know the way of how to secure broken hubcaps that have maybe fell off your car. You're driving down, falls off your car, people run it over, people do all this. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this. I'm not going to show you how to fix it because there's no way of fixing a hubcap with this many broken pieces unless you're like a plastic welding guru. So this should ideally go on like this and stay. But because of the clips, it doesn't. So I reached out to Justin at Complex Union. They do a lot of the fab shop here in town. Crazy work. And he told me the best thing to do is take these cable ties and attach it to the rim. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So now I got my drill. I'm going to drill it where I see fit, which is right here. This is the best spot to drill. You drill it right here and then keep going at a high RPM and just bore it out. And then on the other side, you do the same thing. Drill a hole and then bore it out. Looks something like that. So the next thing, this is the hardest part of the whole thing. You put the zip tie in and then you zip it on. And it looks something a little bit like this. Always go through this first and then go through this. Make sure it's clipped because once it's clipped, then it's clipped. Just like that. And then do that for the bottom as well. Perfect. So we know that the stem's there. We know that that's there. And then we go here. So now I got it all attached. Valve stem's on. Hubcap, should be on, but now it's going to be secured. Look at this. This is real time. This is real results from a guy that uses hubcaps all year round. And that's how you do it.
Are you going to cut those things off? Those long ass pieces?
Wow, that's really secure. Well, thank you so much, and go check out Complex Union's channel. They got loads of stuff on the go. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. And on another note, I'm not getting paid, sponsored, anything to say any of this. Just go check them out. Thank you guys, and we're gonna go wash this beast. So I'm at my favorite car wash. Yeah, that's right, my favorite car wash because it's only $3. Now let's get this thing washed. and look really bad. The thing I learned is if it ain't right, make it bright. Let's do some rolling shots of it. Hop on in. Alright guys, so how do you think that looked when I roll by? Oh really? Alright, well that's good. Don't forget, comment down below what you'd like me to, what you'd like to see me repair, and also, what else you'd like to see me do. I mean, as we're driving, you can't hear any clunks on the strut, so that's good. Hubcap secure. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! Where are you guys going now?
We're going to go and pick up chicken and salad for supper.
Okay. Wow. They're taking my jacket too. I just wanted to show you guys the back here because I never really show you the back. But boom, we parked this beast in the back. We were able to get it all the way back here, which was awesome. I had to pretty much make this gate here, and it looks like the wind might have got to it or something. I'm not 100% sure, but all the yellow boards, that's the stuff I made. So I made it so pretty much we could roll this beast straight inside there. Freaking lost a casualty from the windstorm, and all these shingles got lost from the windstorm too. Not on the back here though, which is pretty good. It's just all up front. Also, this is my new car that I picked up. I don't know if you guys think it's cool or not. It's the Mazda tree. This ain't dirt. This right here is all scratches. And then it's the 6-speed manual. It's got the dual muffler. So you need a dual muffler. 2.5 motor. And I was really upset at my dad the other day. I came home to this. He friggin' took cheap red spray paint and spray painted the freaking bumper. So I'm not happy about that.
Stop it.
Trish, tell my viewers what you freaking did to your fish tank.
Sold it.
Yeah, Trish freaking sold the fish tank. If you look right here, this is the remnants of the fish tank.
Oh.
Tell the viewers how much you actually got for your fish tank.
80 bucks.
They're all gonna be sad that you paid over what, $1,000 for your fish tank setup?
Like around 200.
Wow.
I want a dog. Viewers, if you think that I should get a dog, comment down below, tell PJ to get me a dog. I really want an Australian Shepherd.
She doesn't even know what an Australian Shepherd is.
Yeah, I do. Yes, I do.
We were looking at Chihuahuas today and she said that she said that's not a Chihuahua because that has a tail.
No, it looked different. Like, you know how some Chihuahuas look really skinny and not super cute, but this Chihuahua had like more like fur, but not, it wasn't like a Pomeranian. It just was cuter and it had a long tail. Chihuahuas don't normally have long tails.
Wow.
But I wasn't looking at Chihuahua. I don't want one. PJ wants a Chihuahua.
No, she was looking at Chihuahuas, dinkerdoodles, every kind of thing with doodle in it she likes.
No.
And she also likes anything with Pomeranian in it.
I like Pomeranians.
She took my blanket and then gave me the not so good blanket. Well, I showed them our pumpkins, how you just neglected them and left them outside to rot.
I didn't neglect them. What do you want me to do? Leave them in the house?
Yes.
No.
Why?
Because pumpkins are supposed to be outside. And yeah, PJ didn't even want to put out his pumpkin on Halloween. I'm like, what the hell was the point of carving a pumpkin if you don't want it outside?
No, I wanted to put it on outside for a little bit, and then that's it. Whatever. Guys, I just wanted to show you my, that's my laptop. It's the Batman. And now we're gonna see you guys in the next one, right, Trish?